This is amazing. Now we have Mistal Lodge, a new large language model released by Mistral AI. You can see the chart here. It's much better than Gemini Pro, Claude 2. It's slightly lower than GPT-4. It is natively fluent in English, French, Spanish, German and Italian. 32,000 tokens context window, precise instruction following, and it is natively capable of function calling. That is huge. It has partnered with Microsoft to provide models on Azure. You can access it through Mistral platform using Azure, or you can even do self-deployment by contacting them. In regards to reasoning and knowledge, you can see this model is far better than Llama 70 billion parameter model, but slightly lower than GPT-4. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about Mistal Lodge model. We also have a chat interface from Mistral. I'm going to access it through its API, and we are going to perform our usual coding test. I'm going to take you through step by step, but before that, I regularly create videos in regards to artificial intelligence on my YouTube channel, so do subscribe and click the bell icon to stay tuned. Make sure you click the like button so this video can be helpful for many others like you. We are going to use this code to test the model. I've already covered in a previous video how to create a user interface for Mistral API, which I will link that in the description below. So in this, we are changing this Mistral model to Mistal Lodge latest. Make sure you install Mistal AI and Gradio using pip. Then export your Mistral API key like this and then click enter. Now you can type python ui.py and then click enter. Now the user interface is ready. So I'm going to click that, and here is the interface. So I can just ask, what is your base model? It's just giving me a random text. We are going to test its Python programming capability. So Python, very easy. And then going to choose return sum of two numbers. And the solutions are locked by default. So these models can't be trained with these datas. But if the same question is available elsewhere, then it's a possibility that it could be trained. At least it gives us an understanding what these models are capable of doing. So I'm just going to copy the instruction. Going to paste the instruction here in Python and then click enter. And here is the answer. I'm going to copy this and testing it. So that is a pass. Next easy task, find the discount. Copying the instruction and pasting it here. Submit. Now going to test the answer, and it is a pass. Next, a medium task, virtual DAC. Copying the task and submitting it here. Now got the answer, just copying it and testing it here. So that is a pass. It's going really good. Now next is hard task, find domain name from DNS provider. Copying the task, pasting the task and click submit. Got the answer here, just copying it and testing. It gives me an error, so just going to copy the error code and resubmitting it. Testing the code again, and it is a pass. Next, very hard challenge, identity matrix. Copying the task and pasting it here. Click submit. Got the answer here, just copying it and testing it. It passed on these but failed on few of the values. So going to copy the failed area and trying to ask again. Going to try this again, and it is a pass. This is really good. And next, going to the expert level challenge. So it passed most of the things. So now to the final challenge, ECG sequence. Copying the code and pasting it here. Click submit, and here is the answer. Just copying it and testing it here. Seems like a fail, so going to try again, adding the error at the bottom because this doesn't save the previous history because of the basic radio interface. So clicking submit. Got the answer here, just copying it and testing it. It's an error, so I'll give this a fail. But overall, it really did well. It was able to complete very hard task. Only the expert level task it was not able to perform. Now let's try the final, creating a snake game in Python. Create a snake game in Python using Pygame and click submit. Got the code here, just copying it, pasting it in VS Code and install Pygame. Now python snakegame.py and click enter. It opened and immediately disappeared. I can see the game. I can see the snake. The snake was fast, but generally I don't see any error in the code. So it's a good place to develop from here. So I will give this a pass. So overall, this is really a good model which passed most of the tests which we gave. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to create more videos similar to this. So stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.